What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with a little video. Anyways, I'm just gonna jump right into it. So here we have Apple on the 3-month time frame. Do I even have to tell y'all what y'all see? Like, look at this. It's just a flag. Look, impulse move up, consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. Now, look at this candle on the 3-month time frame. We have 26 days left on the 3-month time frame, right? This means the candle on the monthly time frame, this next candle needs to open up. It might fake out a little bit down here, but it should push up and clear these highs, right? Because that mental target is 200 on Apple. So then let me show you my fibs. All right, so now I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour time frame. As you can see right here. So on Friday, right, the market faked out. It dipped down. And then what happened? It just reversed back up. If the market was gonna tank on Friday, then after like during 2 p.m. the market would have kept going down. But it didn't. It bounced off and it kept going. And I can see on Apple, I drew a fib. This fib right here is the 0.618. As you can see, when the price came down, tapped it, reversed, kept going. And then this is the last stick of the day. Look what happened. It tried to clear these highs, but it couldn't yet. So what I expect on Monday is I expect a fake out, but pretty much over 193, right? Over this high, right? Expect a retest. I expect price to break this high, retest down, then go back up. So pretty much I'm looking at 194.35 and 196.09 on Apple. My overall target would be 201. So pretty much targets is over 193, looking at 194.35, 196.09, 196.38, 199.62, 200, since that's a mental number, then 201.06 on Apple. And let's see, are any VPOCs? Yeah, so pretty much Monday, if we do dip down, price needs to hold 191.91 because that is Friday's VPOC, right? Because I don't think price is going to come down and fill these gaps yet. As you can see, Apple has a gap here at 187 and one at 184. If we were going to fill this gap right here at 187, then price would have done that on Friday, right? Because see how price hit tap 189 and bounce? If we were going to fill this gap right here, this tiny gap, price would have done it on Friday, but it didn't. It faked out people. So that's Apple. My next stock is Netflix. Netflix, it looks ready to go. So pretty much I'm looking for the market to rally this month. I'm looking for the market to hit new all-time highs. Then for Netflix on the higher time frame, I'm pretty much looking at this wick to be tested. The higher of this wick is 799. That is the overall PC. But short term, I want Netflix to pull back into this zone because Friday's VPOC is at 634.89 right here. So I would love for price to come back down to this VPOC, hold, then bounce up. That is what I'm seeing on Netflix. And then from there, I'm looking at 651.72, which is a second VPOC. My fib targets is 654.06 and 661.11. Overall target would be this VPOC here at 661.61, which is pretty much this head and shoulders up here. This tiny head and shoulders. Left, head, right, break, kept going down. Right? And then same thing on Friday. We took out this low right here, but what happened? When the price took out this low, what did it do? If price was going to go lower, it would have done it and went to this flag right here. But it didn't. It took out this low, then it bounced back up, and then the last candle bullish. So I expect for Monday, I want a pullback into this zone. I want price to confirm this level Well, I want price to confirm this zone as a level of support. Here, I mark it green. And then from there, if we hold, and as long as price doesn't break back under pretty much, I'll say under this low, even then, I'll probably say this low right here because this is low. If this low holds, I'm pretty much looking at these highs to be tested. But as of right now, like I said, I want to pull back down to this VPOC. We hold the VPOC, stop loss under. Honestly, I have a $3 stop loss. My stop will be under 631.11, 630. It don't matter. Or for those who want a wider stop, just put it under this low. So hold, bounce, first target 651.72. Well, actually, first target would be this candle high, which is 642.31. So this is the first target. Then, if Netflix really goes, because we all know how this stock moves, right? We all know how this stock moves. It's Netflix. Once it starts going, it's hard to stop it. Because Netflix in one day, this thing can move up like $40. We've all seen it happen, especially if the market like really rallies. But the first target will be this high of 642.31. Then after that, if we extend, I'm looking at this VPOC at 651.72. Then from here, we might fall down a little bit and then make like a flag to further continue this move up into this level of supply, which is this head and shoulders right here. So that's Netflix. I zoom in so that way y'all can see it better, see my levels. Then last but not least is Roku. So Roku, honestly, I took my eyes off the stock for a minute, but now I'm watching. So number one, good ER, right? Good ER. Both of these ERs have been good. Number two, gap down. But right now, what is it doing? Sideways. I said sideways action, right? It's moving sideways, right? And usually when a stock moves sideways, it's either gonna explode to the upside or it's going to continue. But as of right now, right, same thing. This low right here. What did price do? Wick under it, bounce back up. Now we're holding, right? If I go down to the 30-minute time frame, you should see what I'm seeing. A three drive move. This is the spring right here. What happened? Bounce back up because I drew a fib from this low to this high up here. Then what did price do? Came back down to this level of support at 56.34. It held, right? So same thing. As long as price can stay above 56.34, I'm looking at 57.93. This VPOC at 58.50, which is above this high right here. Then if price can break that and hold, looking at 59.42, 60.62. But my overall target would be 61.78. Then if we really go 64, 67, 71, 73, but I don't care about these fibs. All I care about is this VPOC target at 61.78. All this other fibs it's just a bonus if price really goes. But as of right now, I'm looking at this VPOC because this VPOC correlates with this I don't know if y'all can see it, but this structure right here. This right here. Y'all see what I'm doing? This structure of candlesticks right here. See, the sideways then it broke. The sky's falling. And here, sideways. I wonder if there's a curve tool. What's a curve? All right. So this, let me make it black so y'all can see it. This right here, right? Then what happened? Wick the low, starts to bounce up, comes back down the fib, holds, and now it looks like that price wants to test this high right here. And pretty much have to sweep up. But I'm pretty much bullish this month, right? Roku looks real good, especially that it's been in this channel for like what, like a couple. I want to say a couple days, but like, well, maybe a couple days. But pretty much, it's been chilling. Like ever since this sell off, like it's just been chilling. And then like I said, even on Friday, if price was gonna go lower, it would have done it on Friday. But what happened? Wick this low, immediately bounce back up. Right? This candle should have been a big fat. This candle right here, this let me zoom in. This candle right here should have been one of these candles right here. Right? If price was gonna go lower, but it didn't. So I'm looking to the upside. I know my risk to reward ratio. So if I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. I can always find a different trade because there are hundreds of stocks out there, thousands of stocks, and I'm not gonna get attached to one stock if it doesn't go my way. I'm gonna just move on or just wait for the whole setup. But as of right now, it looks good on a 30-minute. Like this looks real clean on a 30-minute. So I saw it on a 30-minute, and I think I saw it on a 1 hour time frame too. Yeah, on the 1 hour time frame, you can see more, especially this wick right here, wick down, pop back up, higher low. Then now I'm looking for price to extend up. But I do expect a fake out first because if we go back to the monthly time frame, right? What does a monthly time frame look? Look, every monthly candle has a wick, right? It pretty much has a wick. So for the month, so honestly, this week just watch the monthly candle and see how it opens. Wait for the wick to form on the monthly candle first. So that's why I'm saying like Monday or Tuesday, I expect a fake out before the breakout. You see what I did there? Fake out before the breakout. That is what I expect. And then this closed as a doji too. So pretty much, if we reverse, then price is gonna fill this wick. But that's it for me. Hope y'all enjoy this. I'm gonna do more. Well, I pretty much plan on doing this weekly, every Sunday after work. I'll just make a 12-minute video, 10 to 12 minutes long. I won't keep it too long. And I'm just gonna get straight to the point. I'm not gonna be like, oh, hi guys, welcome. No, I'm just gonna hop right in because we all have stuff to do, and I'm not trying to waste anyone's time. But all right, I'm done talking. I'll see y'all in the next video.